Here's how your stock tail lights look. To remove the outer portion of the tail light, remove the 2 Phillips screws on the inside of the trunk jam. Carefully remove your tail light by pulling outward. Remove the 3 sockets from the back of the light. Remove the 2 7440 bulbs. The amber bulb in the kit will replace the one that was in the beige socket. The spade connector coming off of the Anzo tail light will plug into your gray socket. Make sure that the black wires on the pigtail match up with the black wires on the socket. Twist them all into position. Line your tail light up and push it into place. Replace the 2 Phillips screws on the inside of the trunk jam, and this will complete the installation for the outer portion of the tail light. Now, to remove the inside portion, you need to remove the lining from the inside of the trunk. There are 7 screw tabs that you need to remove from the trunk lining. After you have removed the tabs, gently pull the trunk lining off. Remove the 2 bolts securing the inner tail light portion to the trunk. Untwist your light sockets and pop the inner portion of the tail light out. Insert your new Anzo tail light. You'll want to pull the pigtail through the hole. Screw your nuts back on and tighten them up. Plug the pigtail into the socket. Go ahead and twist it into the tail light. Twist your other socket back in. Reassemble the lining onto the trunk, and then check for full functionality of the tail lights.